We're jumping right into a super fast-paced list of 24 minimalist habits that you can start this year for your best, most simplified year yet.
Number 1, declutter one area each week. Set aside time each week to declutter a specific area of your home with the focus on removing items that no longer serve a purpose. This can be as small as you like. For example, a kitchen drawer.
Second on our list, we've got the 1 in, 1 out rule. Implement the 1 in, 1 out rule for your possessions. Whenever you bring in a new item to your home, consider letting go of a similar item to maintain a well-balanced, clutter-free home.
Number 3, go digital. Minimize paper clutter by digitizing your important documents and opting for digital subscriptions and communications wherever possible.
Number 4, monotasking. Instead of multitasking, focus on one thing at a time. This approach can enhance concentration and productivity whilst reducing stress.
Number 5, build a mini capsule wardrobe. Simplify your wardrobe by creating a mini capsule wardrobe filled with versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Donate or sell items that you no longer wear. This will simplify all your mornings in 2024.
Number 6, practice mindful consumption. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this item truly necessary and does it add value to my life? Try to avoid impulse purchases, implement a wish list system, and opt instead for intentional purchases.
Number 7, quality over quantity. Embrace a less is more approach in all aspects of life. Focus on the quality of your possessions, relationships, and experiences rather than the quantity. It's better to have a handful of wonderful friends than a gaggle of subpar acquaintances.
Number 8 on our list, try a digital detox. Try to schedule regular breaks from your digital devices. Consider implementing tech-free zones or specific times of the day when you simply disconnect. Specifically for short-form video content apps like Instagram and TikTok, I've made sure to set time limits where it locks me out when I meet my daily limit. I think especially over the last couple of years with the global pandemic, there's been a huge shift in most people's habits to be far more online. So it might be a good idea in 2024 to reflect on your time spent on your phone and on your computer and consider a digital detox for 2024.
Number 9, unsubscribe and unfollow. Declutter your digital life by unsubscribing from unnecessary email lists and unfollowing social media accounts that don't bring you value or joy. It's so easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer number of notifications that we're bombarded with each day. So take steps to mitigate this by trimming your follow list to only those that you truly value. Make sure to unsubscribe from any emails that you simply don't read.
Number 10, learn to say no. Learn to say no to commitments, possessions, and activities that don't align with your priorities. I find it's useful to start with my calendar and look across the entire year for the events that I know I have coming up. If there's anything that simply doesn't align with the priorities that I have for this year, then saying no is a wonderful way to protect your boundaries and carve out more time for your priorities. Saying no truly does help you maintain focus on what matters most.
Number 11, establish a morning routine. Start off your day on the right note by creating a minimalist morning routine. Getting up at the same time every day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, but keep it simple and focus on adding in activities that bring you joy, make you feel healthier and more productive.
Number 12, practice gratitude daily. Only good things happen from expressing your gratitude for the things you have in your life. I personally write down 3 things every single day that I am grateful for. It helps me to keep things in perspective and always be thankful for the good things in life. Expressing your gratitudes each and every day rewires your brain to focus on the positive, so carve out a couple of seconds each day to write down your gratitudes and let's build a positive outlook for this year ahead.
Number 13, mindful walking. Incorporate some mindful walks into your daily routine. This might look like dedicated walks with no distractions like music or audiobooks, and focus on being present and paying attention to how you feel as you move. Along with mindfulness walks, you can also take gratitude walks, where you simply focus on the things that you're grateful for. Although I love listening to audiobooks and podcasts whenever I'm out for a walk, it's good practice to carve out some time specifically for mindfulness, and I get great value from my mindfulness walks. Number 14, streamline your digital files. Declutter your digital space by organizing files and deleting unnecessary documents. This can help improve your efficiency and make it so much easier to find what you need.
Number 15 on our list, we've got embrace minimalist design. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you're interested in minimalism. So it might be a good year in 2024 to consider embracing minimalist design principles in your own home. It really does help to simplify your house and can create a sense of peace and contentment and less dusting. Opt for clean lines, open spaces, and a limited color palette to just your favorites to create a calming and peaceful environment.
Number 16, prioritize experiences over possessions. Shift your focus away from acquiring material possessions and focus on collecting meaningful experiences. As things open back up in 2024, there's going to be so many more opportunities to have wonderful, memorable experiences that you'll cherish for a lifetime. So instead of focusing on acquiring possessions, shift your time and focus to doing activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Experiences over possessions in 2024.
Number 17, we've got a digital declutter. It's a good idea to regularly go through your digital devices and delete unused apps, files, and photos. So schedule a day for a digital declutter. This is different to a digital detox. This is a dedicated day decluttering your digital space. Cut out your digital clutter and save those precious memories by posting the most important photos and videos and reducing the rest.
Number 18, do a monthly budget review. Set aside some time each month to go over your budget. Make sure you put it in your calendar. It doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, keeping it simple is the best thing you can do. Just look at your priorities, where your money is currently going, and where you want it to go in the future. Future you will thank you.
Number 19, screen-free evenings. When you look at your weekly routine, it's good to have a screen-free evening. Instead of sitting down and watching Netflix every single day of the week, you'll be amazed at how recharged you feel if you dedicate one day a week to more creative pursuits like reading a book or doing a puzzle or even an art project. I think there should always be a healthy balance of consuming and creating. And if we're always consuming, it can deplete our batteries. So try finding one day a week where that is your scheduled screen-free evening.
Number 20, limit your notifications. Turn off all non-essential notifications on your phone and other devices. It's especially good to use night mode and do not disturb mode after a set time every night to help block pesky notifications. It can help you unwind and recharge your batteries every night without the constant interruptions. Not only that, getting less distracted by notifications is going to make you more productive and more calm.
Number 21, we've got learn about minimalism. If we're talking about minimalist habits to start in 2024, then this is a really fun one. There's so many wonderful books to read about minimalism. If you're looking to simplify your life this year, then reading books about minimalism is a surefire way to get there. There's also a fantastic array of other Instagram accounts that are hugely inspirational to Josh and I that we would 100% recommend following, so you can see them pop up in your feed and get inspired to simplify your life on a daily basis. Joining Facebook groups about minimalism is another wonderful way that you can surround yourself with like-minded people on the same minimalism journey. Josh and I have recently started a Frugal Minimalist Facebook group. It looks at the intersection of frugality and minimalism, and I've linked it below if you want to join. There's a wide variety of YouTube channels centered around minimalism that I'm constantly watching in my downtime. So pick your favorite mediums and follow those people that inspire you. It's a wonderful way to integrate more minimalism into your everyday life.
Number 22, reduce single-use plastics. Minimize and cut down your use of single-use plastics by using reusable items like drink bottles, bags, and food containers. It's easy to forget to bring your reusable bags to the grocery store. So if you can, pause this now and go put your reusable shopping bags in the boot of your car.
Number 23, and a big one for Josh and I this year, is capsule meal planning. In 2024, you can simplify your meal planning by creating a capsule menu with a few versatile and healthy recipes. It reduces decision fatigue and minimizes food waste. Josh and I already do this to a good extent. We've got our favorite meals that I've printed out and laminated and put on our fridge for the visual reminder of what we're eating that week. So if you're sick of that question, what do you want for dinner tonight? It might be a good idea in 2024 to start capsule meal planning.
Number 24, quality downtime. Make sure to prioritize quality downtime without the constant need for stimulation. Make sure to give yourself the quiet, peaceful downtime that you deserve. so you can take that time to actually recharge. It's easy to get overstimulated in today's world, so make sure this year you give yourself the quality downtime so you can recharge and make 2024 your year.
We hope this list of 24 minimalist habits has inspired you to simplify your life this coming year.
Let us know in the comments below what habits from today's list are you going to bring into your 2024. And with that, we'll catch you all next time. Bye.
Bye.